Hello Numberblock fans! In today's video, I will show you how to rebuild the number blocks from 0 to 100 part 16, right? But anyways, or we can call 91 to 95. Right, let's move on to the number block 91. Number block 91 is made of 90 gray blocks and one red block on the top, which means she's made of 90 and 1. Also, number block 91 is made of 7 13s or 13 7, which is unlucky times lucky. Lucky means 7s and unlucky means lucky means 7 and unlucky means 13. Well, which means she's in the middle of unlucky and the lucky. 5 6 4 3 7 7 2 blocks. Just wait for a moment. Right. Then 4 5 6 7, 2 plus 6 is 8. And then put like this. 4 plus 5 is 9. Then 10. If 5 plus 5 10. 5 plus 6 is 11. This is for 12. Oh, too tall, right? Here, I already add 1 block more to make 13. The camera is too tall. Anyways, number block 91 is finished. Let's attach the sticker. Ta-da! Number block 91 is finished, which is made of 90 blocks and 1 red block. Sorry everyone. Well, anyways, here is the finish of the number block 91. Let's move on to the number block 92. So the next up character is number block 92. Well, number block 92 is made of 90 gray blocks and 2 orange blocks, which means 92 is made of 90 plus 2. Also, he's made of 4 23s. He's very happy to be a rectangle, but I don't know. Just do 92. I want to make 23 by 4 because it's 4 by 23 because it's too tall. So that's why I built 92 like this by using 90 normal 90 and put the 2 blocks on the top. Put like this, like this, like this. 5 blocks more. Right. And then I put the dark gray blocks first. Like this. Well, number block 90, oh not 92, number block 90, number block 92 has, you can make number block 92 by laying 2 blocks wide and 46 blocks tall, or can be also 4 blocks wide and 23 blocks tall. But too tall, you can make it shorter, but not a rectangle. Like this. 90 blocks, then we need 2 blocks more to make 92. How to put it like this, not the middle, yeah. And then we need 2 blocks more to make 92. The 2 blocks is not at the middle. Well, let's put the sticker. Ta-da! Number block 92 is finished. Let's move on to the number block 93. Let's move on to the number block 93. 93 is made of 90 plus 3 because 93 has 90 light gray blocks and 3 yellow blocks. Also, 93 is made of 3 31s. Well, 31 is a calendar, but I designed which is bigger than 31 and can divided by 31 is a monster. Just my creation. Well, like this, I built 90 blocks like this. I'm using 9 blocks wide and 3 blocks tall, like that. And then I need 3 yellow blocks more to make 93. So let's put the sticker, and ta-da! Number block 93 is finished, which is made of 3 31s or 90 and 3. Let's move on to the number block 94. Alright, for the number block 94 is made of 90 light gray blocks and 4 green blocks because 94 is made of 90 plus 4. 94 is also made of 2 47s, which means she's a secret number, or the secret person, or the mysterious person like number block 15. It's because 47 is in the 15th member of the Prime Club, which means she's a secret mission, a secret person. Like number block 47. Well, 47 is a secret mission. Number block 94 is also secret missions too. Well, here is the finish, but the blocks are finished. Let's attach the sticker on the number block 94. And ta-da! Number block 94 is finished, which is made of 90 and 4 or 247. So let's move on to the last one is number block 95. Okay, for the last number block is number block 95. 95 is made of 90 light gray blocks and 5 blue blocks because 95 is made of 90 and 5. Also, 95 is made of 5 19s or 19 5s, which means she's a crazy shape. Well, number block 95, you can make in two ways. You can make 90 by using 9 by 10 rectangle formation and put the 5 blocks on top, or you can also make 5 by 19 by putting the block 5 at the bottom or the top. Well, the 90 blocks are finished. We need 5 blocks more to make 95. Right, let's attach the stickers. Ta-da! Number block 95 is finished. Well, this is the end of this video. Well, which number block do you like the most? 91, 92, 93, 94, or 95? Please leave the comments. Well, I will just say sorry everyone because of the 91 because the stickers are fall down. Well, anyways, this is the end of this video. You can click like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more videos. Anyways, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.